The sun is about to go down at Busch Gardens, but the summer nights are about to heat up. It's hot out here at Busch Gardens. That's right, I'm at Busch Gardens, folks. And welcome to the channel if it's your first time. And my name is Tampa J. Well, I always forget to introduce myself. But anyways, last week I was at SeaWorld, and this week I'm at Busch Gardens for Busch Gardens Summer Nights. That's what they're calling it. There's gonna be some more dancing, there's gonna be some more fireworks, and we're just going to take a look around at the park and see what's new here at Busch Gardens. But anyways, it's all fun and it's all en route today. You're coming with me, of course. There is much ahead. Just in case you were wondering what all that ruckus was behind me, well, it's this beautiful waterfall. The chimpanzees are about to be fed. Actually, they're being fed right now. There's a lady above me throwing down food.
They have a wide range of homes.
Check these beautiful creatures out. Here's something new to Busch Gardens, this 1959 Chevrolet pickup. Maybe it used to be here a long time ago, but it definitely wasn't here the last time I visited Busch Gardens. What a sweet ride, huh? I'd drive it.
Hands in the air. Come on now, everybody.
Looks like the party has already begun for the Fiesta dancers. Uh-oh, if we're staring at this dude, it must only mean one thing. We're getting close to Montu. We got a little acrobatics / juggling going on here. Wow.
Let's hear it for it, ladies and gentlemen.
That's awesome. Be very, very quiet. He's hunting little birds. You know what? My mama used to tell me the reason why alligators are so mean is because they have all those teeth and no toothbrush. Mama's never wrong. Well, I'm enjoying my free Busch Gardens complimentary beer. Whoops. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Spilt the beer, that's not good. But I'm about to head inside here and see if they have any special Busch Gardens summer merchandise. I haven't seen these t-shirts before. Check them out. They're selling this bundle for $34.99. You can get 3 t-shirts. Here they are stacked together as you would grab them. But here they are depicted in this photo, and right there. I like the one on the left with the roller coaster in the background. Here's a couple other bundles over here on the wall. You get the backpack and that hat for 25 bucks. This vintage looking Busch Gardens t-shirt for 13, and that water bottle for $17.99. We're gonna have to come back to this spot later. It says the best view for the fireworks will be right through those gates. Here's something new. Since Sesame Street is celebrating its 50th anniversary, so are these topiaries. Check out Oscar the Grouch with those awesome cupcakes over there on the left. Of course, you got Elmo and Big Bird. And Big Bird's got the biggest cake, obviously. Also, this little archway is new too. Hope you guys are having a fun time. There's still much ahead. It's still early. The sun hasn't gone away yet. Being a fan of Stranger Things, I thought this was pretty awesome. Also a fan of Sesame Street. Sharing things. Good old Cookie Monster. Sharing a waffle, it looks like there. Just like 11 would. Oh wow. I'm so hot. The Stanley Falls Flume Ride actually looks like a great idea. And there goes Falcon's Fury. Woo! Ooh, that felt good. Got a little mist there. As you can see, everyone's trying to ride Congo River Rapids to cool down. The line is literally out the door. Correction, it's actually broken down. Looks like they're testing it out though. I really enjoy a good river rapid ride. What about you? I'm waiting for it to leave the frame. It went slower than I thought. Okay, the end. Roll, roll, roll your boat down the Congo River. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun. Kumba, 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 Kumba. Good old Kumba. One of my favorite roller coasters here at Busch Gardens. Here it comes. Woo! The sign says, slippery when wet. I always think of that Bon Jovi album. Oh man. I can sit here all day. Woo! Man, this is nice. Looks like this guy's doing a little skill drumming. He's good. Check out the lion. It's certainly checking out us right now. Wow. So beautiful. There's a female lion. I've entered some kind of cave. On this side, you have the lions, but over to my right, through this glass, you have the hyena. And this one's taking a little nap. Oh no. I may have disturbed it. They are much more bigger in person than I imagined they were. Oh, he's like scratching his head there. Hey, buddy. Good night. What? A Land Rover with an open door? Right-hand drive? Heck yeah, I'm getting in. Well, I'm having problems getting it to start. Sure is kind of fun spinning the wheel though. Because it's summer, I can't fail to mention that there are summer camps for the kiddos here all summer long at Busch Gardens. Check out the website right there if you're interested. There is a safari here at Busch Gardens. It's pretty cool because you board some old Land Cruisers, just kind of like the one I was sitting in, and you get to go on an excursion and feed the animals, including the giraffes. And if you look out there, right there they are, the giraffes, having a little bit of dinner. Speaking of dinner, I'm getting a little hungry. It's time to find some food myself. I smell something delicious. And it's coming from in there. Pizza! Pizza, pepperoni pizza, my absolutely favorite thing to eat in the whole wide world. And a Coca-Cola, of course. And look out there. Remember those guys? Those giraffes are still chomping down. All right, yep, that sure does put a smile on your face. That's really good. It's my first time eating pizza here at the Serengeti Overlook. Okay, it's time to fuel up a little more. We'll be partying soon and watching fireworks before no time. Oh crap. Forgot to get a napkin. Here's a little update on GWAZI, which will be the world's tallest, steepest, and fastest roller coaster. Here's another look. You can see off into the distance they've added some new wood to the old structure. This actually used to be GWAZI, but it's going to be a much bigger version of it, of course. But it's going to open in 2020. I think this is as close as we're gonna get, but we can see much more over from this angle. There's part of some new track. Still no steel that's been installed, but they're getting closer every day. I sure can't wait to ride this thing. It's gonna be awesome. So cool that hometown Tampa here is gonna have one of the world's best roller coasters. Yeah, rubbing it in there a little bit, but it's gonna be awesome. Everyone's already sitting here waiting for the fireworks to start later. But while they're waiting, they're serenaded over here by this little stage. Looks like there's a little music going down.
So now not envy you in this choice tonight. This is probably the best one that we've had. They all did fabulous. And give them another round of applause. All right. Let's hear it for number 2. Are you ready? Oh, I don't think you're ready. Let's have it. Are you ready? All right, Mr. DJ, give her something to dance to.
Okay, so the park is closed and I'm one of the last people here. So unfortunately, you know, this is going to be the end of it. Busch Gardens Summer Nights. I hope you enjoyed it. I sure did. If you're in the area, come check it out. It lasts until August 11th. So fireworks are Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but there will be all the dancing and fun will be going on every night here. So anyways, thanks for joining me. You're awesome. If it's your first time here, please come back. You got to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. That way you know where I'm going next. And I enjoyed having you, and it would be a pleasure and an honor to have you back. So thank you. Well, it's time to leave. And I think I'm the only one here. Look, I'm back at the Mayambe Reserve. Okay. All right, that being said, let's get out of here. There is blurriness on the screen. All right, there is darkness. There is, I'll wait for the light. There is gonna be another video.
Sun, 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 oh, here it comes.